Right now I'm in El Nido, heading to the ferry terminal. I'll catch a ferry to Coron today. I've been here for about 5 days. I'm gonna spend 4 days in Coron. Hey guys, right now I'm in Coron, hiking up the Topia Stairway. I think that's what it's called. It's supposed to be a nice view of the city from the top. It's 700 something steps, all paved so far. So yeah, let's see what the view looks like. So far, Coron is nice. It's a little bit bigger and more crowded than El Nido or Port Barton. Yeah, there's just motorcycles everywhere. It's not so super fun to walk around, but it's okay. The city is really beautiful though, and this hike is nice. I hope I don't run into any rain. Looks like the sky's getting kind of dark up there. So on this trip to Palawan, I visited Puerto Princesa, Port Barton, El Nido, and now Coron. I think El Nido has been my favorite. It's a really touristy town, but it's kind of just nice, cutesy and nice, laid back. A little bit more expensive, but it's nice. Here I'm at number 300 of 700. I arrived on the ferry yesterday from El Nido. The ride took about 5 hours. It cost about $50 for the ferry. Then there was a 200 peso environmental fee, kind of a BS thing, but whatever. And yeah, the ferry was pretty much full, really hot and uncomfortable. The ride was smooth though, and yeah, overall an easy crossing. It runs every day, I think a couple times a day actually. So yeah, that's a good way to get between the islands. The sky's looking pretty dark over there, you guys. Looks like I'm about to get rained on. I just passed 500, got about 200 and change left to go. See if I can make it to the top before the rain starts. Hopefully I can get some decent pictures. Alright you guys, I made it to the top. It's all paved stairs. It took maybe 20 minutes, 720 steps. Every 100 they're marked. It looks like it's low tide right now. You can see the coastline there. I'm seeing some lightning on the other side of the mountain, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. I don't think this is the smartest place to be during a lightning storm, especially with these towers and everything up here, all this metal. So yeah, really some spectacular views. Highly recommend this hike. Easy hike for really rewarding views. decide between visiting Coron or El Nido. I can't really tell you which to pick, but I can say that El Nido is much smaller. It's like 2 or 3 main streets. You can walk around the whole town in like 15 minutes. And Coron is quite a bit bigger. Much more congested when you're walking down the main streets. There's like trikes everywhere. Not quite as relaxing. I would say they're equally as beautiful. It's a little bit more convenient to get here from Manila. There's an airport. You can fly directly here. You can also fly directly to El Nido, but the flights are less frequent. Most people fly into Puerto Princesa and then take the van up to El Nido. If you're on a tight budget, Coron is definitely the better choice. Accommodation here, you can get a private hotel room for like 20 bucks. In El Nido, you're looking at more like 35 to 40. Or you can get a hostel dorm here for like $5 to $7, whereas in El Nido it's more like 10 to 15. Food is cheaper as well. I think I preferred El Nido overall, but I've only been here for a couple days, so I can't say for sure just yet. I would say you can't go wrong with either. I would highly recommend Palawan for a vacation. It's just like, it's really one of the most beautiful places I've been. They say it's the most beautiful island in the world, and I would agree with that. Definitely the most beautiful island I've ever been to. I've been traveling here in Palawan during low season. Right now it's late September, so I guess busy season starts next month. It's also rainy season, and I think I've been pretty fortunate with the weather. I'd say it's rained most days, but usually only for a couple of hours. And yeah, I've gotten really lucky with the island hopping tours. It didn't rain at all, so I think this is the perfect time to visit. But if it was raining every day, I would probably say otherwise. Overall, I would say Palawan is a really top travel destination. I will definitely be back here. It's just nice. It's not overly developed. There's no massive hotel towers or anything like that. The infrastructure is okay. It's easy enough to get around. The food is hit or miss, but you can get some good eats. So yeah, I'll be back here.